Okay, love. So let me briefly tell you what I have going on my fall/Thanksgiving table setting. So I'm going to start with the centerpiece. So this actual vase came from CB2. The picks here came from Craftex. And the other picks you see here, these here with the little balls on them, came from Hobby Lobby. And these are some of my ribbon hacks. I placed some of the teal ribbon hacks inside the vase. So I'm going to move on to the pumpkins. I've had these pumpkins for a few years. They came from Z Gallery. I did a video on how I dressed them up. I'll try to place the link below to that. The candle holders came from Home Goods. The candles came from Amazon. I'll place the link below to that. My wine goblets came from Home Goods. My placemat at the bottom came from Z Gallery a few years ago. The charger here, the bigger charger came from Z Gallery. The plate, I'm not sure if you guys remember Linen and Things, but this plate with the silver ring actually came from Linen and Things. And actually, I was strolling through some things in my cabinet, and I saw them. I'm like, oh, wow, these came from Linen and Things. They actually had closed down some years ago. But anyway, I used my Cricut machine, and I made a thankful emblem, and I placed it on the plates. My napkins actually came from Z Gallery as well. The beautiful napkin holders came from Totally Dazzled. I'll place a link below to Totally Dazzled, but I don't think they have these in stock. My silverware came from Home Goods. So that pretty much sums up this table setting, except for the pillows. My pillows came from Moina Decor over on Instagram, the ones on the end. And this pillow set here came from Z Gallery. My table came from Wayfair. My wall art on the wall in the back came from Ross. And my beautiful chandelier came from ET2 Lighting. And my beautiful chandelier came from CW Lighting, and I'll place the link below to that as well. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber, your notification bell. Give this video a big thumbs up. And thanks. Bye.